PBS 1984 logo bloopers. Take 1. Cut. This is not Snee-oosh. This is PBS. The 1984 logo. Sorry, I gotta go. Now take it again. Take 2. Cut. What is Arthur? I mean. Cut. What is Arthur? I mean Ami from her. Excuse me, I coughed absolutely. Yeah, cut. What is Ami from her high cup? What are you doing here? Oh, sorry, I gotta go. Alright, let's have another shot. Take 3. Cut. This is not YTV. This is PBS. Hold on. Chorus, I think I have your text. I think I have YTV's text. YTV, come here. Let's have another shot. Take 4. Cut. This is not Chorus Entertainment. This is PBS. Oh. Chorus, come here. Let's have another shot. Cut. For the love of God, stop slowing down the music. Anyhow, this is not Viacom. This is PBS. Oh. Hey, Viacom, V of Doom, I think I have your text. Viacom, come back. Let's have another shot. Cut. This is not Wow Wubsy. This is PBS. Oh, sorry. Nick Jr., I think I have your Wubsy logo. Oh, sorry. I got it. Let's have another take. Cut. This is not Spiffy Pictures. This is PBS. Oh, sorry. I gotta go. Cut. This is not Spiffy Pictures. This is YTV. I mean PBS. Oh, sorry. I gotta go. You just said YTV. Okay, never mind. Let's have another shot. Cut. This is not Nelvana Chorus Entertainment Company. This is PBS. Oh, I gotta go now. Bye. Let's have another shot. But this is your warning, PBS. If you screw up again, you're fired. Alright, take the last one. Cut. This is not Teletoon, a Chorus Entertainment Company. This is PBS. Oh, sorry. I gotta go. At PBS 1984, you're fired. Leave the studio right now. Oh, darn it. I'm fired. Peace out, beep.